Hi, my name is Craig and I want to share not three, but four effective ways to help you get more free traffic and make more money. There's no need for paid ads or expensive marketing tactics when there are so many ways of getting people through your door for free. Stick around and I'll explain the juicy journalist hack, where I'll show you how to get your store on massive websites like CNN, Fox and the BBC. Tip 1. Write content to provide information to solve problems. Let's give a basic e-commerce example. Let's say you own a lingerie store and you have a large selection of bras. You could create some content on how to get fitted for the perfect bra size. Something along the lines of this. Finding the right bra size is a pain and most women are wearing bras that don't fit them. Wearing a bra that fits perfectly will not only make you feel better, but it will also help your posture, reduce back pain and headaches, and did we mention how great you'll look? We created this guide to show every woman how to find her perfect bra size in just 5 minutes with step-by-step instructions from measuring yourself at home to finding the right fit for your body type. Our illustrated guide makes it easy for everyone. You see, you are providing content first and then you can link to your bra category on your e-commerce website. Remember, content is king, and with good content it will help you rank organically on search engine and YouTube. Tip 2. Organic SEO traffic is not only about Google. Organic traffic can be defined as visitors that land on your website from unpaid sources, which include the use of search engines like Google, Yahoo, Bing, Brave, DuckDuckGo and YouTube. I want to give you some secret tips and tools on how to get the most from organic traffic and give you a fighting chance of ranking for long tail keywords. You need content to rank, so the best way to rank is to answer the pain points people have, aka answer their questions. Want the first super cool free tool? Check out www.answerthepublic.com. Remember to optimize your content for the reader, not search engines. And be sure to use long tail keywords. Then create a video using the content, which is now your video script, and you'll get traffic in no time. We use a tool called Writers 10 that help us create articles and videos scripts that rank. I'll put a link in the description so you can check out Writers 10. YouTube is the second biggest search engine. And you know who owns YouTube, right? This means with video, you have two great opportunities to show up when people ask their question on Google and YouTube. We've learned that to get free e-commerce traffic, we really need good quality content. We've also learned that with one piece of content, we can turn that into a blog post and a piece of video. You now have content. Your next step is to share it across all your socials. You can use tools such as Hootsuite, Metrocool, Hello Woofy, Later, or any of these type of tools to automatically share across your socials. Here's a biggie next that I call the juicy journalist hack.